How do you train your brain to be able to think faster when you are being put on the spot? You see, when someone asks you a question and you are not prepared, what happens? Your brain hits the panic button. You open a dozen browser tabs in your head trying to scramble for what to say. And as you start verbalizing your thoughts, it causes you to ramble instead of speaking clear points. And this can be extremely frustrating and sometimes even embarrassing. How do I know? Because I used to do this. It makes you feel awful, it makes you feel incompetent, and it makes you feel like you are not confident. Hi everyone, my name is Shalima and welcome back to my another session of Think and Speak Faster. So now in this today's session, I want to share with you that exact solution to this common problem. And let me take you to a very familiar moment. Someone asks you a question, maybe in class, maybe in an interview, or maybe you are just having a casual conversation. You are not prepared. Suddenly your brain goes into panic mode like a phone that just opened 20 apps at once and you feel stuck. You begin to say something but it turns into rambling. Your thoughts feel like puzzle pieces flying in all directions and English nowhere to be found. You are not confused because you are weak at English. You are confused because you have no anchor to hold on to. And that moment is stressful. And guys, it can leave you tongue-tied, frustrated and feeling like your confidence just walk out of the door. So here's a tool that can change that, the 3-2-1 framework. It gives your brain a roadmap. Instead of wandering, your thoughts start walking in straight lines. So let's break it down. Talk about the first one, which is 3. 3 means 3 steps. So whenever someone asks about a process, a habit or how to, don't scramble. Just think in 3 clear steps. For example, how do you prepare for an English interview? Alright. Step number 1, write down common questions and answers. Step number 2, practice those answers aloud using your diary or mirror. Number 3, record yourself to check tone, pronunciation and clarity. So 3 steps keep your ideas structured and it makes your speech feel smooth, not scattered. Now let me clear by giving more example sentences, guys. 3 means 3 clear steps. Alright, let's look at practical example for spoken English learners. Alright, so the example number 1, how to speak English daily. Alright, so step number 1, choose one sentence and you will use today. Write it on a sticky note. Step number 2, practice that sentence out loud for 5 to 10 times. And step number 3, use that sentence in a real conversation. This method instantly shifts you from thinking in theory to doing in practice. For example, how to make masala chai. Alright, you have this topic, how to make masala chai. So step number 1, what you can do, boil water with spices like ginger, cardamom or cinnamon. Alright, then step number 2, add tea leaves and milk, then simmer. And step number 3, strain and serve hot with love. See how easily this structure flows. Your brain feels calm, your ideas feel organized and your English sound confident. And guys, let me tell you why it is powerful. It turns chaos into order. It helps your listener follow your thoughts easily and it boosts your credibility and clarity as a speaker. And most importantly, guys, it creates momentum. Once you speak step number 1, the next 2 steps naturally flows. Try this, guys. Pick any routine. Alright, like making chai, organizing your desk or creating a video and explain it in 3 simple steps. You will be amazed how quickly your brain finds flow. And now that you have learned how to structure your thoughts using 3-2-1 framework, and let me introduce you to a powerful fluency tool that makes your practice feel effortless and exciting. It's called Sparky Ai. a smart app designed to help you speak English daily without pressure, without confusion. And guys, let me introduce you a smart speaking companion, that is a Sparky AI. It's an English speaking app that listens, responds, and corrects your spoken English like a real conversation partner. So whether you are practicing daily conversations or preparing for interviews, Sparky AI builds your confidence step by step. Speak anytime, anywhere, just like you are talking to a real teacher. So guys, want to give it a try? Download Sparky AI now, and link is waiting for you in my description of this video.
Here comes the Sparky, your English speaking AI friend. If you're worried to talk in front of others and worried about your mistakes, so here Sparky for you. He can understand you better even with the broken English. And Sparky will gently correct your mistakes. You can talk about whatever matter you have in the life. That may be about real life scenarios, even about your job, your daytime, your daily routine, your leisure time, and what else. Apparently, you get an opportunity to convert the English language into your own mother tongue, your local languages, even regional languages for your better understanding. And Sparky will give you instant feedback about each and every mistake, that may be the vocabulary or grammatical mistakes, and you will get an opportunity to save the new words which you studied to your personal dictionary, and you can revisit the dictionary at whenever you want. And there are a lot other settings to change the accent into Indian English, British English, American English, and all. And you will get an instant feedback about your grammatical score and about your milestones. And not only this, you can just make your time more fun by playing some games, by learning new vocabulary, the grammar, and even spelling. Revisit the folder at any time you want to see the words which you study and for your daily practice. And even you can read the newspaper articles and discuss about the news to your AI friend. We have a lot of feedbacks to share from those who consider Sparky as their real life friend. What you're waiting for? Just download the application for effective learning experience.
Now that you know about Sparky AI is now, let's keep moving forward with our fluency tools. Now once you have started your conversation on Sparky, the real magic begins, not in what you say perfectly, but in how the app helps you grow from each attempt. Just like in diary practice or mirror speaking routine, and you don't learn by getting it right. You learn by seeing what went wrong and improving it instantly. Now let's talk about step number 2. That is 3, 2, 1. So I'm going to share with you two. Two means two types, two ways, two benefits. Alright. When your mind is stuck between too many ideas, this part of the framework helps you to zoom in. For example, how can someone learn English effectively? Number 1, self-study with books, apps, and YouTube. Number 2, interactive learning through speaking clubs or mentors. Now instead of 10 directions, your brain just choose 2 and builds clarity around them. This builds your decision making fluency, a skill super valuable, a real conversation, interviews and debates. Now guys, let's talk about 1. I have shared 3, I have shared 2, now I am going to talk about 1. 1 means one key, insight or emotion. Alright, this is the heart, the moment where you add you into your English. For example, why do you love teaching? 1. The one thing that I love is seeing my learners break their silence and finally speak confidently. And this hits the listener emotionally. It shows clarity, sincerity, and personality all in one line. And it's powerful because it's simple. Guys, remember, when everything feels jumbled, just fall back on this. And what's the one thing I truly feel? What makes this framework special? What makes this framework special? You don't need hours of prep. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need a structure to fall back on when pressure hits. So start using 3 to 1 in your daily speaking. Practice responses to random topics, record short videos, and use it during interviews, question answer sessions, or even when someone asks, so what do you do? And if you are a teacher or a coach like me, this framework is gold for training students to think fast, speak clearly, and build confidence. So guys, here I would like to give you a challenge. Try this right now, okay? So you are going to do it, so stand there, alright? So you get to pick whichever one. You don't have to do all three, you just pick one, alright? Okay, so ready for this random topic number? Okay, you are never ready. No, once ever ready, it's fine. No one ever ready. You see, I'm going to give you the random topic and I want you to formulate your answers in 3 seconds. I know it's crazy and I'm going to simulate pressure here for you. Okay, so this topic is, and pause. So guys, pick any topic like food, travel, learning English, and comment below one, using one part of 3 to 1 framework, and I'll read your answers personally and cheer you on. So now you have got the tools and a clear structure from the 3 to 1 framework, a daily speaking habit from your diary and sticky notes, and now a smart buddy in your pocket called Sparky Ai. Your English journey is no longer a solo mission. It's guided, it's supported, and most importantly, it's alive. So don't wait for perfect English. Start with the English you have and let Sparky help you shape it into confidence. So tell me in the comments, guys, what sentence will you speak with Sparky today, and which part of your routine will you turn into a speaking habit? And guys, I would love to see your replies and your courage. So if this video helped you feel more confident, hit the like button and share it with a friend who keeps saying, I understand English but I can't speak it. And don't forget to subscribe, guys, because guys, every second day we learn how to turn silence into speech and fear into fluency. So you are not just learning English, you are unlocking your voice, and once you unlock it, the world starts listening. So don't stop now, keep going, keep speaking, and you are closer than you think. So thank you so much for watching. This is Shalima signing off. Take care and speak English with confidence.